Very good morning, students. How are you? I hope so you all are fine as I am. Okay, are you attending all your online class, that is Zoom class videos? I hope so everyone is looking the video of what the teacher is explaining. But I thought that each and every child is not attending the Zoom class. So through the video, I want to convey the message, please attend the Zoom class also. It is very important for you and we can contact with each other lively like a class. Okay student, so if the school is providing to you this facility, so you have to attend. Okay, so our topic is going on square and square root, cube and cube root. Already we have conducted one doubt class. Okay, and the Zoom class also, live class. So next Zoom class you can discuss your problem. That's right. So now before starting our topic, I want to tell you the thought. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. If you are having the good knowledge, it will give you a lot. Just we are doing square and square root. What is square? What is square root? If you know, okay, if you are having the basic knowledge of any topic, then you can do easily whole the chapter. So it means an investment in knowledge. If you are having the knowledge of the concept, you can pay the best interest. Your interest is good marks. If you are having the knowledge of the concept, it will give you good marks. That's right, student. Let's start with the concept square root, finding square root by the division method. Our today's concept is find the square root by division method. Till previous we have done the factorization method. Now we will be start with the division method. Finding square root. Finding square root by division method. Okay, this is the concept. Now if the number we are having, like example we are having 1, this is, we are going to find out the square root of 15,129. How we will be find it out? By the division method. I am having the more space, so I am going to erase. $15,121. $15,129. This is the question. See, I am erasing this comma. This is our right hand side. From the right hand side we make the group of 2. As we are doing the square or square root, in it we will be make the group of 2. Okay, this one is alone. Now what type of table we will be following? In this we will be following 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are, sorry, not 6 sevens, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, and 9 nines are 81. Only this table we will be follow in. Now student, I'll be start with the division. I'll show to you step by step. That's right. Now I told you have to make the group from right to left. Group means the group of 2. This one is alone. This one is alone. So 1 ones are, I'm erasing it better. 1 ones are 1. Okay, so we have to write down here 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now twice of this number. Twice of 1 is 2. Means we are multiplying this by 2. Now what we have to note down? 51. Let's check. 1 is at its unit place. 51 is ended with 1, so we will be check where 1 comes at 1 into 1 and 9 into 9. If I am taking 29, whatever the number I am looking 9, so it will be put it with 2 and it will be multiplied with the same. 81, 1, carry 8, 9 to the 18 and 8, 26. That's right, it is 2 greater. So now we will be look 21 ones are 29. This is 2 smaller. And 20, now I am taking with it 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 twos are 4. It is nearby. Now I will be checked with 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. This is better. So we will not take it. We will be go with 2. 2, 2. What is it? 44. That's right. 11 minus, we are subtracting. 11 minus 4 is 7. What is remaining? 7. That's right. Now, this will be, what it will be now? 12 twos are. Whatever the number is here, it's twice we will be doing. 12 twos are 24. And what we have to note down? Complete pair. No, 29. That's right, 29. Now, its unit place is 9. With 24, what we have to put so that we can get the unit place as 9. See, 3 and 7. That's right. Let's see with the 7. 7 sevens are 49, 9, carry 4, 7 fours are 28 and 4 32, 2, 3, 7 twos are 14 and 3 17. This is true big number. So now we will be checked with 24 with it 3. 3 threes are 9 and 24 twos are 24 threes are 72. That's right. So this is the required number. This 3, 3 and this one will be 729. Now at last we got the remainder 0. So what is the square root of? Square root of 15,129 is 123. If you will be multiply 123 by 123, you will be get the same number. That's right, students. This is the example number 1. Now our next concept is to find the number of digits in the square root of the numbers. Whatever the numbers square root we are finding, we are going to find out how many numbers are there. Like number of digits in the square root of a perfect square. For perfect square having n digit, if this is having n digit, means number of digit we don't know. So we are assuming that number of digit is n. The corresponding square root will have number 1 n by 2 digits. अगर हम किसी का स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है उसमें कितने डिजिट्स आएंगे, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उस नंबर की डिजिट्स को काउंट करेंगे. इफ n इज इवन, अगर नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स जो है उस नंबर में n है, मींस इवन है, तो हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं. लाइक अगर मैं किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट निकाल रही हूँ, लाइक इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा नहीं निकलेगा. दिस इज द स्क्वायर. ठीक है ना. तो कितने डिजिट है? 1 2 3 4 5. ये ऑड है, तो ऑड के साथ हमारी कंडीशन क्या लगती है? n प्लस 1 बाई 2 डिजिट्स. ओके, इवन में लगती है n बाई 2, और अगर ऑड है तो n प्लस 1 बाई 2 डिजिट इफ n इज ऑड. इफ n इज ऑड. ठीक है, इसके लिए कितने डिजिट्स का स्क्वायर रूट निकलेगा? ये नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट निकालें तो वो कितने डिजिट्स का? 5 डिजिट्स है, तो 5 प्लस 1 बाई 2 दैट इज 6 बाई 2 विच इज 3. ठीक है ना. अब हम इसका निकाल रहे हैं तो हमारा क्या होगा? 100 होगा ना इसका स्क्वायर रूट. कितने डिजिट है इसके स्क्वायर रूट? 3 डिजिट्स. बेटा जब हम किसी भी चीज़ का स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि वो कितने डिजिट्स का है, और जब हमारी उस नंबर की डिजिट्स इवन होंगी तो हम डायरेक्टली नंबर ऑफ डिजिट काउंट करके डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कर देंगे. और जब हमारी डिजिट्स ऑड होंगी देन व्हाट विल बी डू, हम नंबर ऑफ डिजिट प्लस 1 करके और उसको डिवाइड करके 2 से रखेंगे. दैट्स राइट. आई एम टेकिंग द एग्जांपल फॉर इट. Like I'm having the example 2209. How many digits are there in the square root of this? So how many, and number of digits how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. कितनी बचा? 4. So n by 2. This is how many? 4 by 2. When we will be finding out its square root, in it the 2 digits will be there. That's right. Or if the number is under root 14,641. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is 5. So which formula we have to use? N is 5. In it n is 5. N plus 1 by 2. Which is 5 plus 1 by 2. Which is equals to 6 by 2. And when we are dividing it, this we are getting 3. Means when we are finding its square root, in it 3 digits will be there. Let's proceed with the question. It will be more clear to you. Okay, students. Now, students, see in your book, page number 30, example number 2. Find smallest number that needs to be subtract from 7,230 so that it is a perfect square. Means we are going to find out the smallest number that need to be subtracted. जिसको हमें subtract करना है किसमें से? From 7,230 so that it a perfect square. Because itself 7,230 is not a perfect square number. Okay, students. So first of all, we are going to find out the square root by long division method. This is 7,230. This is even number of digits. तो हमारा क्या आएगा? जो इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे, we will be getting 2 digits. So we will be make first group from right to left, the group of 2. That's right. Now 72. 72 is not lying in it. So let's see. 64, 81. This is, so it will be lying between them. So we will be take 8. 8 8s are 64. 12 minus 4 is 8. This is 0. That's right. And twice of 8, 8 2s are 16. Now what will be noted down? 30. Complete 30 we will be noted down. Now 1, 6 with 16, which number we have to put? We don't have either other than 10, we will not get. So we will not go with the 10. Let's see. We are putting 3. No, we are putting 4. 4 4s are 16, 6. 16 4s are 64 and 164. That's right. That's right, students. Now I will go with 165. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry 2. 16 5s are 80 and 2 82. That's right. Now I am going with 6 also. But more appropriate is 25 because this is A25. Let's check with 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 carry 3. 16 6 are 66. 16 6 are 96 plus 3. 99. This is too big. So we will be go with 5. 165. I have to put up. This is A25. What is the remainder? 5. What is the remainder? 5. But they are asking question. Find the smallest number that needs to be subtracted from this 2 so that it is a perfect square. So what will be subtract? We will be subtract here. 5 is remainder. So that we will subtract 5 from 7230 to make it perfect square. Let's see. If I am subtracting 5 from 7230, what I am getting? 7225. That's right. That's right. I hope so you have noted down. Now what I'll be doing? I'll be finding out its square root. 7225. Again I am doing 8 8s are 64. What is remaining? 8. Now what I have to note down? 2 5. 8 2s are 16. Then 5. See, this is completely divisible. So what I have to subtract from this number to make it 5 and to make it perfect square, I'll be subtract 5 to make it perfect square. Therefore, 7225 is a perfect square number. That's right. This is the answer. Here we will be subtract 5. Now student, we will be do example number 3. Find the smallest number that must be added to the number 46,640 in order to make it a perfect square. Means smallest number, कौन सा smallest number इसमें add करेंगे जिससे हमारा 46,640 जो है perfect square बन जाए. That's right. We will be add some number. So first of all, we will be find out the square root of 46,640 by long division method. Let's see, 46,640. Will we make again the group of 2 2 from right to left. Now this is 4. What it will be? 2. 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. I'll be subtracted. 4 minus 4 is 0. And twice of this number, 2 into 2 is 4. What I have to note it down? 66 completely. Now what is it? 66. Now we'll be see 6 I can place here and 8 here. If I'll be use write down 4 4 4. What it will be? 176. It is too big. It is too big. So I'll be go less than this. 2 2. 4 2 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. This is also greater. So what I'll be do? 1. This will be 41. That's right. Now what I have to write down here? 41. Clear students? Minus 6 minus 1 is 5 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Twice of 21. 21 2s are 42. Here I have written 42. Now what I have to note it down? 40. Calculating it 40. Now 0 is not there, so we will be try. Okay, by which number we have to multiply 42? That is 5. Because this is 25. And if I will be take 6, 6 is 20. 6, let's try. 6 is smaller. 6, 6 are 36. 6, carry 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 3, 15, 5. Carry 1. 4, 6 are 24. That is the thing I told you. This is smaller. But when I am adding 1 with it, that will becomes 25. 22,556, which is greater than this. So, with which number I will be go? With the 5. 4, 2, 5, 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry 2. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. 2 carry 1. 20 and 1 21. 2 1 2 5. What is it? 5 5 and this one will be 2 1 2 5. I will go to subtraction. What is there? 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4. What is remainder? 415. That's right, 415 is remainder. Let's try. I'm going to erase. First note it down fast. It is clear that 46,640 is greater than 215 square. Okay, 215 square is 46,225. So this number is greater than this number. The next perfect square is 216 square. What is the next number of 215? That is 216 square. What is it? If we are squaring the 216, what will we get? 46,656. That's right. When we have done the division, that I got it, and its square if we are doing, this is this. which is less than the given number. So we will be go for the next number, that is 216, and we are going to find out the square of 216, that is 46,656. Means that is 215 square is less than 46,640, and this is less than 46,656, which is the square of 216. So we add, what will we do? We will be subtract this given number from 216 square. We have subtracted, that is 16. So what is the required number to make it a perfect square, that is 16. If we are adding 16 in it, I am getting 46,656, which is the square of 216. If I am going to find out the square root of 46,656, that will be 216. Hence the required number is 16. Therefore required number is 16. Note it down, students. More clear with the exercise question. Smallest 4-digit number is, what it will be, 1000. That's right. Now what will we do? Now we are having 1000. I want to make it a perfect square. That's right. Find the least 4-digit number, that is a perfect square. But we have to do the long division. Okay. Again we will make the group of 2, 2. 3 3s are 9. That's right. 1 will be remaining. 2 zeros we have to note down. 3 2s are 6. By which number? If 6 is there, I am using the 2 2. That is 2 2s are 4 and 2 6 are 12. Which is better than this? So I will put 1 and 1. 61. What is remaining here? 39. That's right. Now what we have to do? It's written in the book also, and the way we have to follow the same. 31 square is less than, means 1000 is greater than 31 square is less than 32 square. Means this one will be, 1000 will be lying in between the square of 31 and the square of 32. 32 square is 1024. Now we will be find out the difference. 1024 minus 1000. What it will be? 24. So we will be add 24 in 1000, then we will be get the perfect square number. 1000 plus 24. What it will be? 1024. And this is a perfect square number. 1024 is the square of 32. So the square root is 32. What they are asking, find the least number, that is a perfect square. So what is the least number? That is required number is 24, which is making 1000 as a 24. Hence 24 is the required number. Now exercise 3.3. Question number 1 is, how many digits are there in the square root of the following numbers? Okay, find the answer without actually finding the square. I am not going to find out actual square. So I am having number of digits. I discussed earlier to you. Number of digits 1, 2, 3. 3. This is odd. When the odd number of digits, we have to follow the formula n plus 1 by 2, which is equals to n instead of n. This is 3 plus 1, 2, which is equals to 4 by 2. Means 2. How many digits will be there in the square root of this? There will be 2 digits. Next B part is 97,344. Again the number of digits odd, that is 5. So the same formula we have to follow, n plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 5 plus 1 by 2. This is 6 by 2. Means 3. How many digits will be there? 3 digits in the square root of 97,344. C part. This is again with the odd number of digits. I am not going with it. I am going with the part D. Okay, C you will be do by your own. This is 1369. How many digit? Number of digit is 4, which is even, n by 2, which is 4 by 2, means 2 digits. How many digits will be there? 2 digits. Rest of part you will be do by your own, that is C, E and F. This is homework. Now question number 2 is, use the division method to find the square root of the following number. Means if I am going to find out the square root of 729. Okay, 729. So I am going to find out by long division method. This is called the division method, not long division. I'll be make the group of 2 2 from right to left. This is 2 and this is single. See, is there 7? No. So what is it? 1 1 is 1. This is smaller. 2 2 is 4. This is also smaller. 3 3 is 9 is greater. So what will we do? Take 2 2 is 2 2 is 4. Subtract 3 is remaining. Twice of 2. Twice of 2. What it will be? Twice of 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. What I have to note it down? 29. I'll be put the number weight 4 which is having unit place as 9 because I am having 9. So if there is 9 with 8 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. This is too small. And second one number is 7. 4 7 7. 49 9 carry 4. 4 7s are 28 and 4 32. This is exact number. So 7 7. 329. This is the mean. The square root of 729 is 27. If you will be multiply 27 by 27, you will be get 729. Its B part is 22,500. 22,500. That's right. I'm going to find out its square. Again, group of 2, 2, 2. What it will be? 1 1s are 1. Minus 1. 1 into 2 is 2. What I have to note it down? 25. That's right. So 25, 5. This is 5. And I am multiplying 2 with 5, 5. Means 25 5s are 1, 5. 5. 1, 2, 5. Now what I have to note it down? This is complete 0 because this is an up pair. And 15 2s are 30. This is 0, so I will be putting 0. What is it? The answer is the square root of 22,500 is 150. That's right, students. Now it's C part. C part is 17,161. Again we will make the group of 2 2. 1 1s are 1. What is remaining? 0. This is 2. Okay, now we have to note it down. 71. That's right. Now with 2 what we have to put? This is 1. Unit place 1 is at 1 and at here. If I am writing 21 1s are 21. Next, if I am using 9, 9. 9 9s are 81. 1 carry 8. 9 2s are 18 and 8 26. This is too big. So by which number I have to try? By another number little bit smaller number. I am going with the smaller number. 2 4 4. 16 6. 8 and 1 9. This is also bigger. So I will go with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. That is right. 3. 3. What is it? 69. What remaining? 2. Now we have to note down 61. So 13 2s are 26. See, this is 26 and with it 1. I am putting 1 and 1. This is completely divisible. So what is the square root of 17,161? 17,161 square root is 131. Clear, friend? Now last part of this question, D. I hope so you have noted down, everyone. D part is 1,80,000. 1,80,625. Group of 2, that's right. This is 18, 16 and 25. But I'll be go with 4. 4 4s are 16. 2 is remaining here, remainder. I have to note down 0, 6. And twice of 4. 4 2s are 8. Now, by which number? I have to write down 8. And this is 6 na, so 4. 8 के साथ मैंने क्या ले लिया 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1. 4 8s are 32 and 1 33. This is too big. So I will go with 83. 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. This is also bigger. I will go with 2. It's need to check beta each and every number. 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. This is right. 4 2 2. What is it? 164. 6 minus 4 is 2. Here 10 minus 6 is 4. That's right. But I have to note down 25. 42 2s are 84. Twice of this number 42. Okay. Now this is unit place is 5. So let's try with the 5. 84 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry 2. 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. 2 carry 2. 5 8s are 40 into 42. That's right. Completely divisible. So the square root of 1,80,625 is 425. That's right. I'm going to write down the same way you will be following. 180,625 square root is 425. I hope so this method of division to find out the square root it's clear to you. So you will be doing more practice of this type of question, then you can learn lots of things, and this method will be useful in higher classes also. Now student, question number 3 is find the least number which must be subtracted from the following numbers to get perfect square. I am having the number 3,984. What is the number, student? 3,984. First of all, we have to find out its square by division method. We will be make the group of this. That's right, 39. This is 36 and this is 49. So I'll be go in this division only with this table. I can't do 2 4s are 2 5s are, yeah, 6 6 are 36 or 6 7s are 42. This way we will not follow, only we will follow this table. So 6 6 are 36. That's right. Now we will be subtract what I am getting 3. And twice of 6 2s are 12. Whatever the number is this, it's twice. That's right. I have to note down 84. Completely 84 I have to note it down. Now this is 12. Okay, with which number? 2 if we are using 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. This is smaller than 1, 2, 3, 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. This is also smaller. Let's we will be try with 1, 2, 4, 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16. Carry 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1, 9 and 4 1s are 4. This is 2 greater, so we'll be go with 3. This is how much? 369. Okay, 14 minus 9 is 5. Here 7, 7 minus 6 is 5. So what we will be doing? We will be, they are saying find least number which must be subtracted. Therefore, as remain 15 as 15 is a remainder. So we will subtract 15 from 3984 to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. That's right. So we will be subtract. Have you noted down? Note down, students. Now we have to subtract 15 from 3984 minus 50. What will we get? 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 7 minus 1 is 6. 9 3 9 6 9. Now we will go to find out its square root. Square root of 3969. What will we get it? 63. What will we get it? 63. If you will be do the square of 63, this is rough work. I am telling you the verification. This is 6, 3, 9. That's right. And 3 square is 9. 6 square is 36. That's right. 2 into 3, 2 into 6 into 3. 9. 18 to the 36. This is 36. 6 we will be noted down. 3 will be 3, 9, 6. That's right. So this is the square of 69. Sorry, 63. Okay, which is equal to, if you are going to find out, hence required number is 15. What is the required number? That is 15. Clear, students? Now its B part is 12,341. Same method we have to follow. We will be find out the square by division method. Okay, we will follow 1, 1, 1. Subtracting 0. What we have to note it down? 23. So what is the twice of 1? This is 2. Which number we have to use? 21. If we are using 22, this is 44, which is greater. So we will be use 21. That's right. What is remaining? 2. Now we have to note down 41. 11 2s are 22. That's right. 2, 2, 2. If we will be write down, this will be triple 4. It's better we have to put here 1, 1. So what is it? 2, 2, 1. What is remaining? 0, 0. What is it? 20. What is it? 20. So we will be subtract 20 from 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 minus 20. So what it will be? 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, this 3, 2, 1. If we are going to find out the square root of this 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, it will be equal to 111. Hence required number is 20. You have to write down complete language like previous question by your own. This is required number is 20. Now next question, this is fourth question. Find smallest 6-digit number which is a perfect square. So smallest 6-digit number is, what is it? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is smallest 6-digit number. Okay, they are saying कि find the smallest 6-digit number which is a perfect square. First of all, we have to find out try to find out is it a perfect square or not. That's right. By division method, we will make the group of 3, 3, 3, 3s are 9. That's right. Subtract 1, 0, 0. And twice of 3, this is 6. By which number? 6, 2, 2, 4, 1, 24. This is better, so by 1, 1. What it will be? 61. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. That's right, we have to note it down 2 zeros. Now, twice of 31. This is 62. By which number we have to? Let's try 6, 2, 6. Because this is the last 2 digits is 39. So if we are trying with the 6, let's see. 6 6 are 36, 6, 3. 6 2s are 12 and 3 15 5. Carry 1. 36 and 1 37. If we will be go with the 7, then it will be 42. So we will not go with the 42. We will be put here 6. 3 7 5 6. That's right. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. This is 144. That's right. Yes, this is 144. What is remaining? 144. Since 316 square is less than, what is it? 1 lakh. Is less than, what it is? 317 square. That's right, 317 square. And now 300. Now square of 317 is 100489. Means what is it? 1,489. Now we have to see what is the required number. So we will be subtract 1 lakh from 1,489. This is 489. Now what they are saying, which is a perfect square number. Let's see. Student, required number we got it. Now we will be at 489 with 1 lakh. What we are getting? 1489. And now we have to find out its square root. What is it? 317. Okay. Now student, question number 5. Find the largest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. We are going to find out largest 4-digit number. So first of all, we have to write down the largest 4-digit number is 4 times 9. That's right. But it is not a perfect square. So we are going to find out the perfect square 4-digit number. Okay. So we are going to find out its square root. Try to find out square root of 4 times 9 by division method. That's right. 9. Same. We have made the group of 2. This is 9. 2 and 2. This is 99. 99 means 9 nines are 81. What is remaining? 9 minus 1 is 8 and 9 minus 8 is 1. We have to note down complete 99 because we are writing in the group of 2. Now this is 1899. 9 is there, twice of 9 is 18. Now here is 18 and this is 9 and here 1899. Which number we have to use to get the number, either this or nearest to this? So I have multiplied by 9. 189 by 9. I got 1701. That's why I have put it here 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 as it is and 8 minus 7 is 1. What is it? 198. Let's see. I am subtracting 198 from 9999. This is 9801. After subtraction I am getting, and afterwards I am try to find out the square root of 9801. What is it? 99. Whatever the number is there, its square we will be do, that will be the perfect square. Hence largest 4-digit number which is a perfect square is 9801. I hope so. This question till over here, each and every question is clear to you. If not, so you can ask. You are free to ask through the mail or through on online class. That's right, doubt session. Clear, students? So you have to do the practice. I have given one question, 3 parts in homework. That is, homework is exercise 3.3. You all the people will be do homework in notebook. Do question 1, C, E and F part. Do in notebook. But why you are getting confused? All the homework you will be doing in notebook. If some query is there, you can mail to the school portal and then they will be forwarded to me. Is it clear? So do regular practice. I hope so you will be follow my instruction. Thank you. Have a nice day.